Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can install WhatsApp Business on your iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you are facing some issues with your WhatsApp and now your all the work is on your business needs, so you want to install a WhatsApp Business to contact with your clients and employees, and there will be much easier on WhatsApp Business. So to install it, you have to do is simply click on App Store and then open it up, and then you have to do is click on search bar and then search it over here WhatsApp Business, and then simply search it, and then you will see over here WhatsApp Business. So once you click on WhatsApp Business, you will see over here get option in your phone. So you have to do is simply click on that get option, and it's gonna be installing, or it will take a permission to install your WhatsApp Business in your phone. So you can simply check it out over here, create a profile for your business in it, and familiar WhatsApp messages for you and your customization, and always you can customize it or your customers as well. So you can see over here quick replies, make it easy to reply to frequently asked questions as well. You can simply answer that questions as well in WhatsApp Businesses. And you can see over here ratings and reviews of WhatsApp Business as well. You can simply give it to the ratings as well. You can see apps privacy over here, accessibilities and information over here, providers with WhatsApp Inc., and then size 265.7 megabytes, and category businesses, and bunch of options over here. So now you can simply open it up and then log in your account with your WhatsApp Business, and now you can chat with your customers and employees and bunch of things in this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.